and to learn more about Canada po mga kap. So make sure to share this live streaming po mga kap. Tag this to your friends and make sure po mga kap to join our Q&A live streaming. Ayan po mga kap. So if you're watching right now, comment it below saan po kayo nanunood. Ayan. Comment it below po mga kap. We just want to shout out Dennis Bernardo Yaba. Ayun. Good afternoon po, Kap. Joey watching from Quebec. Ayan. So anyway po mga Kap, sa mga Kaps natin na just join us po mga Kap. We are doing this Q&A live streaming every Friday 1 p.m. Halifax time. Before po mga Kap, it's 11 p.m. but we change it for 1 p.m. Halifax time po mga Kap. So ayan, comment it below po mga Kap kung saan kayo nanonood. Ask questions po mga Kap. We encourage you to ask questions. And before anything else po mga Kap, we would like you to join our growing community dito sa ating Canadian Dreamer Cup community. Ayan. So I'm going to flash this screen po mga Kap, and we would like you to join us po mga Kap because we have all the upcoming events. So in the community, once you sign in po mga Kap, tumatakbo sa ating screen yung link, capmunity.com. Simply type to your browser, capmunity.com, and then you will be able to sign in po mga Kap. And then once you sign in po mga Kap, you will see here all our topics that we discuss in the community. You can also ask questions. You can download our PDF guide. You can watch all our recorded live streaming. And also, if we have new announcement, you can also watch from these sections as well. And the best thing po mga Kap is you can also access all our recorded webinar for all our Canadian Dreamers. So imagine here po mga Kap, just click this one, 5 days challenge, wherein we discuss every information that you should know po mga Kap in immigrating to Canada. So we have these discussions about express entry, AIP, how to find jobs, how to stay in Canada, navigate immigration pathway, PNP opportunities, and many more po mga Kap. And you can access this po mga Kap for free. So make sure po mga Kap to join our webinar, to join our community by clicking the event section so you can join our live webinar. To join the live webinar po mga Kap, simply click the event and add calendar. And during the day po mga Kap, you just click this link and you can join our webinar with Kap Joey and Bismel. So join the webinar, access all our free informations, join our conversations, and we are growing community po mga Kap. And you can also access all our free PDF guide for everyone po mga Kap. So this is one way of helping you gumawa pa ang Community Canada ng isang community so that the informations na kailangan mo to achieve your Canadian dream ay very, very accessible. The problem po mga Kap ngayon is there's a lot of contents online, social media, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, but unfortunately, you are not sure if those informations is number one, up to date. Number two, if that information is still relatable po mga Kap. Baka yung experience ni Pedro ay hindi na pwede kay Juan because the immigration changed or probably mayroong case-to-case instances kaya niya na-achieve yung kanyang dream. So sabi ko nga po mga Kap, every one of us, we have our unique reasons or purpose of immigrating or maybe way of immigrating to Canada. So make sure po mga Kap that you get the right information, and that's the purpose of Canadian Dreamer community, is to provide you with the right information. Just in case medyo malabo, medyo mahirap intindihin, hindi mo kayang explain or hindi mo kayang intindihin, hindi mo kayang i-absorb kasi sobrang daming informations at naguguluhan ka na, we have our Q&A live streaming wherein you can clarify some things. Sabi ko nga, we encourage po you to ask questions. Either mabigat, madali, or naranong na yon, wala pong problema. Because that's the purpose of our Q&A. Your questions is highly appreciated po mga Kap. Sabi ko nga po mga Kap, this is your chance to clarify. This is your chance to ask questions so that you can achieve your Canadian dream. But anyway po mga Kap, we would like you to join our community. The link is there. It's free access so that you can achieve your Canadian dream. So once you go to CAP Unity, I'll just send the link po mga CAP so that you can easily join. And let me know in the comment section if nakapag-join na po kayo, no? So thank you, sabi ni Dennis, thank you po Cap Joey. And sabi naman ni Yurik John Sabangan, good day po Cap Unity, good day Eric, Yurik. Kumusta? Dennis, kumusta naman ang weather dyan sa Quebec, no? And if si Yurik John is nasaan ka ngayon, no? So if you're watching right now, please comment it below kung nasaan po kayo. And also po mga Cap, while waiting for Miss Mel, kasi may emergency lang na pupuntahan si Miss Mel. But anyway po mga Cap, while waiting, we would like to ask you, what is your reasons why you want to immigrate to Canada? Ano yung pinaka-reasons mo? Bakit gusto mong pumunta ng Canada? We always mention this on our live streaming. Sa dami-dami namin nakakausap dito sa Community Canada, we always ask this question. What is your purpose of immigrating to Canada? Shout out to Odessa Novo from Butuan City, and si Yurik is from the Philippines as well. But what is your purpose of immigrating to Canada? Because that's very important po mga Cap when pag pinag-uusapan natin yung ating Canadian dreams. Kailangan malinaw sa inyo kung bakit gusto mong pumunta dito sa Canada. The reason why po mga Cap, hindi madali. There will be a process. Some people po mga Cap na naging permanent resident, they're able to achieve this kahit sa sobrang daming challenges, they're able to achieve their Canadian dream because they have a very strong reason why they want to come to Canada. And one of the reasons is family. They want to immigrate to Canada because they want for a better education for the kids. Number two, they want to avail the free healthcare here in Canada. They want to have a better life. So there are different reasons why they want to immigrate to Canada. But right now, what I want to ask you, what is your reasons why you want to immigrate to Canada? Because if you have a strong reasons kung bakit ka gusto pumunta dito, kahit ano pang hindrances, kahit ano pang roadblock that you're going to face here, kaya mo yan, diba? So, make sure po mga Cap that you have a very strong reasons why you want to immigrate to Canada. But again, Miss Mel, sa mga nakausap mo this past few days, no, kasi alam ko marami kang consultations, ano ba yung mga reason ng majority ng mga clients natin? Why they want to immigrate to Canada? Is
mas may maganda, kasi definitely, bakit Canada ang kanilang gustong puntahan? Dahil una sa lahat, compare with other countries, dito kasi maisasama mo ang pamilya mo. Meron kang right na makapag-apply or meron kang way para makapag-apply for permanent resident. So kahit papano, compare mo sa mga middle countries na once na hindi ka na kailangan ng company, kailangan mo nang umuwi, dito sa Canada, pwede mo siyang tawagin na home kung tutuusin.
Actually, just to add on mismo, no, talagang matawag mo na second home, di ba, yung Canada. Marami ako naririnig na feedback from our caps na OFW dati, most especially if they're comparing. Sabi ko nga, wag niyong i-compare. You cannot compare Canada apple to apple, especially if you're working in the Middle East. Marami tayong mga caps na they work in the Middle East, sobrang ganda ng sahod, walang tax, walang binabayaran apartment, di ba? But this is the only one question na tinanong ko sa kanya, napaisip siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, yes, maganda sa Canada, sa Middle East, wala kang babayaran ng tax, accommodation, food, libre lahat. But my question to you is, what will happen after your retirement age? What if 60 years old ka na? What if 70 years old ka na? What if hindi ka na capable to do the job na ginagawa mo ngayon? What will happen? Diba? So that's one thing that I want you to ask. If you're OFW, pinag-iisipan mo, tinitimbang mo, are you going to Canada? Iiwan ko yung magandang buhay ko as an OFW, maganda ang sahod, magandang benefit, walang tax, di ba? Dito sa Canada pumakap, may tax, magbabayad ka ng apartment, magbabayad ka ng pagkain mo, ng transportation, everything, di ba? But you need to have a strong reasons. This is one way pumaka na maplano mo ang lahat. Hindi po pwede na, punta ko ng Canada, bukas na, eto na. Then without planning, without understanding the right situation. At doon po nagkakaroon ng problema kasi yung expectation versus reality, di ba? But anyway po mga kap, ano yung reasons mo why you want to immigrate to Canada? Please share with us. And we are happy to have a conversation about this one po mga kap. Because for me, Miss Mel, to achieve your Canadian dream is you need to have a strong reason why. Bakit po gusto pumunta sa Canada, di ba? So that will be your drive to achieve your Canadian dream.